name is Olga Larnaudie, I live in French Alpes and I'm a natural cosmetic formulator. Here on my channel I'd like to share with you my recipes and my ideas and to help you to make your beauty routine a little bit greener and safer for you and for our planet. In this video I want to share with you the recipe of zero waste face cleansing bar, and it's a great product. It cleans your skin very gently and it doesn't have any plastic packaging. It is 100% biodegradable and absolutely safe for your skin and for our planet. I like zero waste cosmetics and I do a lot of solid cosmetics, deodorant, body bars, shampoos and face serums, and I really believe that solid cosmetics and zero waste cosmetic, it is the future of cosmetic industry, and we all have to opt for solid forms whenever we can. What is solid cleansing bar? Actually, it's a mix of vegetable oils and butters, which takes care of your skin. We also use vegetable or beeswax, and we're going to use an emulsifier. Emulsifier helps to turn your bar into cleansing milk when we add some water. Okay, let's talk about what you're going to need if you want to make your own solid face cleansing bar. You're going to need some recipient which you're going to use to melt your ingredient on a water base. I'm using this chocolate melter. I have shown you already many times, and I've already said many times that this is a very handy one, and I really advise you to get one. You're going to need your high precision weight scale, and you're going to need some silicone mold, because we're going to pour down our mixture and let it completely solidify. Okay, let's talk about our ingredients. I'm going to use an MST oil or caprylic triglycerides. I'm going to use karité butter. I'm going to use buriti oil. Buriti oil, I'm going to use it just a little bit because it adds a product nice yellowish color. I'm going to use natural aromatic oil. This is not an essential oil, it's an aroma oil, so it was actually made by a human, but it is made with natural ingredients, so it's absolutely safe. This is not a synthetic perfume, and I have chosen vanilla perfume. Our product will have this nice vanilla aroma. We're also going to use an emulsifying wax. We need this ingredient because we want our solid cleansing bar to mix with water on your skin and to cleanse it well. And also I'm going to use a very mild and nature-derived surfactant, sodium lauryl sarcosinate, and this surfactant is going to help to cleanse our skin very gently and in a non-irritating way. I'm also going to use cacao butter. I have this cacao butter in chips, but you can find it in a different form. You can use whatever cacao butter you can find. The cacao butter we're going to help us to create this solid texture, and it's going to help to protect our bars from melting. And also for this purpose I'm going to add some soybean wax. This is a vegetable wax, so if you're vegan you can absolutely use it, and soybean wax also will help us to create a solid texture. And we're also going to use cetyl alcohol. Now don't be scared by the word alcohol. This is not ethanol, it is a solid alcohol, and actually it will help us to create solid texture as well. It is a nature-derived ingredient, absolutely safe for your skin and for our planet. And also we are going to add some vitamin E as always, because vitamin E will protect our oils and butters from oxidation. Where can I buy those ingredients? I'm gonna leave you useful links in the text box below this video, but you should know that today actually natural cosmetics and homemade cosmetics, it is such a popular activity, and there are a lot of people who make their own cosmetic products. In every country you can find a website that sells ingredients for people who make their own cosmetics. Let's make our cleansing bar, and I'm just going to add all my ingredients in the same melter, and then I'm going to melt it on the water base. First I'm going to add our emulsifying wax, Oleum 1000.
I'm going to add my natural perfume. If you want to use essential oils, then you have to melt all your ingredients, cool it down a little bit, and then add essential oils. Essential oils are heat sensitive. Now, natural perfume and aromatic oils are less heat sensitive, and we can actually add this ingredient on this stage. Okay, that's it. Those are our ingredients, and now I'm going to melt it on a water base. I need everything to melt completely down, so it's gonna be a homogeneous liquid. Okay, my oils and all my ingredients are completely melted. Mix it well and just put it into a silicone mold. Now I'm going to put it into the fridge for 30-40 minutes and wait till it's completely solid.
And it is very easy to use this cleansing bar. You actually have to wet your face first, then you apply your bar. It turns on the surface of your skin into cleansing milk, and then you use it as a regular cleansing milk and just wash it away with tepid water and use your toner. You can keep this bar up to 6 months. It actually makes a great gift as well. So if you're looking for ideas to make DIY cosmetic gifts, it's a perfect gift. All my friends love this product, and every Christmas I make a huge batch of this product. It looks good, it smells good, and it is a pleasure to use it. I hope you're gonna enjoy the process of making this zero waste face cleansing bar. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss some new recipes, and see you next time. Au revoir!